Hello, welcome to Otis Place. In today's video, I'm just going to give you an update on castor oil. I have a video where I showed you how I used castor oil for a week. I showed you the results and I told you my experience. My scalp was so itchy. It's been over a month now and I'm going to give you an update on whether I continue using the castor oil and how it has performed if I've used it. Actually, I continue using the castor oil. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So I'm going to be moisturizing my hair while I'm doing this. I've already moisturized this section, so remaining these three. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that while we talk about my castor oil experience. In the castor oil video, I remember I told you guys that from day 2 or 3, my scalp became very itchy and I wanted to stop using it, but I just felt I needed to complete the challenge, and I did. And I'm not going to bore you. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it in the description. My 7-day Jamaican Black Castor oil challenge. So because of how itchy my scalp was, I was afraid of using the Jamaican Black Castor oil again. I just concluded that it was not good for me. So I decided to research why my scalp was itchy. Please guys, whatever noise you're hearing, my kids, the chickens, they're all making noise. Bear with me. I'm going to be using the LCO method. So my liquid is water. And I'm using this. If you want to see a review on this, let me know. I'm using the Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener as my cream. And I'm going to use my hair growth oil as my oil. So my experience with the castor oil was very itchy. Like I said, I'm going to link the video. My scalp was so itchy, it was bad. I was afraid I was going to lose some hair because of how itchy my scalp was. But immediately I washed my hair after the challenge, the itching stopped. I didn't feel any itching again, and I just kept the castor oil. I was not interested in using it again. But I decided to go online and find out if I'm the only one who has had that experience of terrible itching with Jamaican Black Castor oil. And I found some interesting things. Let me just read a bit of what I found so I don't mislead you guys. Fun fact, I don't like the smell of castor oil. I'm not a fan of castor oil. Okay, they say an itchy scalp is common the first few weeks when you start applying Jamaican Black Castor oil to your scalp. Okay? It says it is known to be a hair follicle cleanser. The itchiness is a common side effect of the detoxifying process when toxins are removed from the scalp. That's what this article says, and I read a few more. It says it typically stops when you use consistently. If itching is unbearable, try adding essential oils, for instance tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and all to help soothe the scalp. So when I read this, I decided to use castor oil on my hair, but in a different way. What I decided to do was just to add a little bit of the Jamaican Black Castor oil in my hair growth oil. You guys know I make my own hair growth oil. So I decided to add it to my hair growth oil. And I did that, and I've been using it for the past month. And guys, no itching. I have not experienced an itchy scalp. I'm so relieved that I can actually incorporate the castor oil in my hair regimen without having the side effect of itching. Well, I don't really know about that detoxification and about using it consistently for the itching to stop. But I can say that I have not experienced any itching incorporating it in my hair growth oil. This is my hair growth oil I'm using now on my scalp. No itching whatsoever. So I think the trick now, what I'm going to be doing is just adding it little by little in my hair growth oil. I've been using it for a month. I wanted to use it for a month before coming up here to tell you guys. And I decided to make this video just to update you guys, because I know that some people might just, from my experience, that my scalp was really itchy, just get discouraged and not want. Some people might just decide not to try it out because of my experience of having an itchy scalp. But what I want to say is that not everything works the same for everybody. So the fact that my scalp was really itchy does not mean yours is going to be. It's always good to do a patch test to see how you're going to react to it. And I just want, if you used it and your scalp is itchy, you could just incorporate it little by little in your growth oil, in your hair oil, whatever hair oil or hair butter you're making. And if it keeps itching, then I just suggest you stop using it. But in my case, no itching at all. So I'm going to keep using the Jamaican Black Castor oil. Now, I don't measure my hair again. I'm done with the challenge, so there was no point measuring the hair for before and after results. So far, no adverse effect from adding it to my hair growth oil. So yeah, it is now one of the ingredients in my hair growth oil, and I don't use my hair growth oil every day. I use it about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how the weather is and depending on how my scalp is. So yeah, maybe that's another thing, the fact that I'm not using it every day. But I just thought it interesting that there were actually articles on people experiencing itching. Maybe I should have read more about, or I should have read about the side effects of Jamaican Black Castor oil before trying it out. But yeah, I went in blindly and you saw my results. I don't know what was your take on my hair in that video. If you've not watched it, go and watch it. I had some results that I couldn't believe, and I still can't believe it till now. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to let you know my experience. My scalp is no more itchy, and I'm still using the Jamaican Black Castor oil. Let me know in the comment section, are you currently using Jamaican Black Castor oil? Have you used it before? Or are you currently using it? Have you had any adverse effects? Please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so let me go back to moisturizing my hair. This was just a quick video to tell you my scalp is no more itchy with Jamaican Black Castor oil, and I'm still using it, but not as often as I did during the challenge. It's a good oil. It helps with the overall health of the hair. So why not? Why not incorporate it in my hair growth oil? So that's it here. The hair growth oil. And of course, it is a very small part of my hair growth oil. The quantity is very small. But so far, I'm liking it. I'm loving it. My hair is responding well to it. So yeah, let me in the comment section, is there anything you'd like me to try this year? It's my year of trying out things with my hair. I'm a firm believer in not trashing something unless you've tried it, at least most things. So there are a lot of things that I've seen online that I'm like, maybe I should try. Like, I have a guava tree in my house, and I've seen how they say guava juice makes your hair grow. I have a moringa tree in my house also, and I once in a while I boil the moringa to drink, but I've never really used it on my hair. So who knows, I might try that out too. I also have pawpaw tree. Guys, these things here, I like a simple life. I'm not one to do so many things at once to my hair. I just like to simplify my routine and all that. But I'm tempted to try these things. When you just have them readily available, it's easy to just like, let me just try it and see, just for the sake of it, out of curiosity. And I think that's what I'm going to do for some parts of this year. I'll do them, then I'll know what to eliminate and what to keep in my regimen. But yeah, I think you should let me know if you're interested in seeing that, because I just have these plants around and I'm seeing so much about them online, and yeah, I'm curious to know how they really perform, if they will work well on my hair. Of course, I know that not everything that works for somebody else is going to work for me. But hey, there's no harm in trying. And trying it is all part of my, you know, hair journey and sharing my hair experience with you guys. I'm going to try out things I've not tried on my hair before. More things, because at least I tried the Jamaican Black Castor oil, and now, like I said, I have a papaya tree in my house. There are lots of pawpaw leaves. I have moringa in my house. I have guava tree in my house. I have mango tree in my house. So maybe I'll just go crazy trying all these things out and see how they perform. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just decided to chat with you guys a little as I was moisturizing my hair. I'm really happy with the way my hair is growing. Someone in the comment section said, please tell us what you did to grow your hair. I'm going to make a video on that. There's no magic here, but yeah, I'm going to make a video telling you what I do and telling you what I do. Maybe I'm also going to make a video showing you the product. It's not about the product, but it's more the technique than the product. But I know that some people will still say, let me see the product you're using. So yeah, I'm going to do that and show you the products I'm also using. I'm done. When detangling your hair, you need to be gentle. You don't need to hurry when you're detangling your hair. So yeah, I'm being as gentle as I can. And I'm done detangling. So yeah, guys, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for the love on the channel. Guys, you guys are just blowing my mind. We're already at 8K subscribers. That's crazy. I remember when I was struggling to get my first 1,000, and now we're already at 8,000. Thank you so much to anyone who has subscribed, who has shared my videos, who has watched, who has left a like. Even if you did not leave a like, you did not share the videos, guys, the fact that you even watch the videos is something. I'm not saying you should not engage, or please engage with the videos, share the videos with your friends and family, leave a comment, okay? I'm so grateful to you guys. I like the fact that, yeah, it's nice when you put in some work and you can see some results. So I'm really grateful to you guys. Thank you so much for the love on the channel. I appreciate you all. Yeah, I'm done with the hair. Like I said, I did the other 3 earlier, or I did this section earlier. So now I'm done with the hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.